Hello, welcome to the Solidworks video tutorials. In this video tutorial, we are going to see Instant 2D option in Solidworks 2020. So let's get started. Suppose I want to draw a sketch. I select the front plane, I enter into a sketching mode. I click normal to the plane because I am already normal to the plane, so I will not click. I can select the sketching tool, that is, suppose I want to draw a rectangle. I select center point rectangle. I select my center as my origin, and I will try to enter dimension, or I can directly select this. I can enter the dimension manually, so I want this 100 mm. Okay, again this says 100 mm, and I have to click OK. So you can see now this sketch is now fully defined, and in this way we have created a sketch. But what is the use of Instant 2D option in this? So suppose I want to edit this dimension without Instant 2D. So I unclick this option, and I can now see when I click on this dimension, the menu bar over here opens, and you can see inside this property manager you have to add this dimension equal to some 120 mm. To click OK and just click this button. Now you can see the dimension has been edited. Suppose you want to edit this dimension, you have to click on this here again. First delete this, enter 120 mm, click OK, and now you can see it has been generated. Now same we can do by using Instant 2D, but Instant 2D is very simple to use and it will rapidly do the same thing. So let's click on the Instant 2D, and suppose I want to edit this dimension, so you have to just click the once while using the Instant 2D. So when you click once on this option, you can see the dimension, and you can easily edit this dimension by using this option. Okay, so in this way we can use Instant 2D option. So, and if I again deselect this Instant 2D option, and if I want to again change the dimension, so another way of changing this dimension is you have to double click on this option. When you double click, you can see the modify option, and you can enter the new desired dimension over here and click OK, and you can see again you have to enter the click over here. And so this is a very time consuming process. So while using Instant 2D, you can rapidly do these things. One more advantage of using Instant 2D is you can select this option first of all, and you have to click on this dimension. Now you can see the two blue dots appear over here. That blue dots you can move in the direction, and you can select the precision dimension by using this scale. You can see the scale that appears on the left side of this dimension line, and you can select the precision that we want in decimals, and you can give the dimension accordingly. Similarly, we can do for this line. We can also edit the dimension of this line by using the this precision line or scale that appears just beside the dimension line. So in this way we can edit dimension in by using the Instant 2D more rapidly, and so it's that's a great tool, I will say, because it provides us the sketching feature to do rapidly. And so that's all in this video tutorial. Thank you.